one. Honk. Honk. No.
Yeah.
That's bright.
You guys both
Yeah!
my hero. Never knew my hero would be a trash.
Oh,
I know.
she juked us. Honk. Be a cool mom.
We found a horn.
Yeah!
Honk the horn, honk the horn. We're getting some smiles, but like, honk the horn.
Oh.
And then the cactus truck right there.
Where? That is!
I think that is.
That white one? Yes, that's Cash.
Dude, he tried calling him.
Yeah, that's Cash. Alright.
Consider yourself doing
Dude, whatever. You've done the whatever.